Hey guys, this is Jimmy and this is PIB from Primer is Best, and doing another junkyard video. Well, I gotta tell you, it's a warm day today, but it's pretty windy, which is kind of a blessing in a way. It's kind of drying everything up. But I haven't been here in a long time, and I thought that we'd just come over here and enjoy this warm day, get a little bit of walking in, hurt my knees a little bit more on this rough, uneven ground, which kills my knees, but we'll take a chance. Hey, check out that old Chevy truck. I like stuff like this. Got cobwebs. It's been sitting a long time. Radio delete. Look at that fancy design in the seats. I bet this is a low mileage truck. Heater controls. Seat belts. Pretty cool. I don't know if the motor's in it. Probably was a 350, I'm guessing. Motor's in it, but I'm not going to raise the hood. Oh, in case you're new to the channel, I'm looking for S10s. Well, I like S10s. What am I looking for? Yeah, I'm looking for C10s and kind of obvious. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to find anything here. It's been a long time since I've been here, guys, and like Mrs. PIB said, they have cleared out a bunch. Yeah, more than a bunch. It's a lot. So I don't know. I don't expect we're going to have any luck. Hey.
How are you?
We're just looking. There's a little Blazer down here. Another Jeep. Boy, that motor home has been in a wreck or just got destroyed by wind. Who knows? Okay.
Are you done?
Hang on. Well, we just got informed that they don't sell parts here anymore. Like I said, it's been a while. That's why it's empty. They don't sell parts here anymore. So it's been a long time since I've been here, and I don't want to say it's a wasted trip, but in a way it kind of was. Right? But we got to go outside and walk around a little bit. And I won't be coming back this way again anytime soon, I don't imagine. Because there's nothing here that I need. They used to have some stuff here, but I don't know what's happened. I don't know if they've sold out. I don't know nothing. As usual. So, guess we'll be on our merry way and maybe check out another junkyard if we can find one on our journey. Old Ford truck there. Another old Ford truck. Yeah. Mrs. PIB said she just wants to get out of here. So, thank you for watching, guys. You're watching Primer is Best on YouTube. If you'd like and subscribe, I'd appreciate it. I'm also on Instagram, Primer is Best, and Facebook, Primer is Best. Be sure to check me out. God bless each and every one of y'all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. It's a beautiful day, and the Lord's made it for us to enjoy. God bless y'all. See you later. Say bye.